cut it down.
Did you throw my camera down? Hey! You're crazy. Did you have a fun night with your big sissy?
Nope.
No?
Help me.
Did you just eat a popsicle?
Nope.
Yes, you did. Why is your lips red? Did you put lipstick on? You're crazy.
And I hear you camera again.
Look how red his lips and teeth are. Say it. Stick out your tongue. Stick out your tongue. How red's your tongue?